Stealthy contenders. A new era of aerial warfare. The skies of future battlefields are poised for a transformation with the emergence of advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicles, or UCAVs. Two formidable contenders in this new age of aerial warfare are the Turkish Bayraktar KIZILELMA and the Indian Ghatak. Developed by Baykar Defense, the KIZILELMA represents Turkey's foray into jet-powered UCAVs designed for a range of missions, including air-to-air combat. The Ghatak, shrouded in secrecy, is India's ambitious venture into stealthy UCAVs developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO. These UCAVs, while different in their design and intended roles, share a common thread: stealth technology. Their development and potential deployment reflect the evolving nature of warfare, where unmanned systems are poised to play an increasingly critical role. Design philosophies tailored for distinct missions. The Bayraktar KIZILELMA, with its sleek, swept-wing design, embodies a blend of maneuverability and low observability. Its jet engine enables it to achieve high speeds, making it a nimble adversary in aerial engagements. The KIZILELMA's design prioritizes speed and agility, characteristic of platforms designed for offensive operations and air superiority missions. In contrast, the Indian Ghatak's design remains largely under wraps, with limited information available publicly. This design choice, often favored for stealth platforms, suggests India's focus on minimizing the Ghatak's radar cross-section. The stealth game. Evasive maneuvers in the sky. Stealth technology takes center stage in the design of both the KIZILELMA and Ghatak. For the KIZILELMA, achieving a reduced radar signature is crucial for its survivability in contested airspace. While not as stealthy as dedicated fifth-generation fighter jets, the KIZILELMA incorporates features to minimize its radar detectability. The Ghatak, on the other hand, is believed to possess a higher degree of stealth. This focus on low observability is likely to be further enhanced by the use of radar-absorbent materials and internal weapons bays. Section 4. Payload prowess. Precision strikes from above. Both the KIZILELMA and Ghatak are expected to be capable of carrying a diverse array of payloads tailored to their respective mission profiles. The KIZILELMA, focusing on air-to-air combat, is expected to be armed with a mix of air-to-air missiles. Beyond air-to-air capabilities, the KIZILELMA is also likely to be capable of carrying precision-guided munitions for engaging ground targets. The Ghatak's payload capacity remains largely speculative due to the secrecy surrounding its development. These could include air-to-surface missiles, guided bombs, and potentially even standoff weapons, allowing it to engage a variety of targets from a safe distance. Section 5. Operational endurance. Eyes in the sky. Information regarding the KIZILELMA's sensor suite and operational range is limited. However, given its intended role, it is reasonable to assume that it will be equipped with a sophisticated suite of sensors, including a powerful radar system for target detection and engagement. Additionally, it is likely to incorporate electro-optical and infrared sensors for enhanced situational awareness and target identification. Similarly, details about the Ghatak's operational range and endurance remain shrouded in secrecy. The Ghatak is also expected to be equipped with advanced sensors, including a high-resolution synthetic aperture radar and electro-optical infrared sensors. Section 6. Titans on the horizon. Reshaping the landscape of warfare. The emergence of the Bayraktar KIZILELMA and Indian Ghatak marks a significant step in the evolution of unmanned warfare. These UCAVs, each tailored to specific operational requirements, represent a leap in technological advancement and signal a future where unmanned systems play an increasingly dominant role in military operations. The KIZILELMA, with its blend of speed, maneuverability, and payload capacity, has the potential to significantly bolster Turkey's air power capabilities. Its ability to engage in air-to-air combat, a feature not commonly found in UCAVs, could be a game changer in regional conflicts. The KIZILELMA's development aligns with Turkey's ambitions to become a leading drone power. The Ghatak, with its stealth capabilities and focus on precision strikes, represents a significant advancement in India's indigenous defense industry. Its ability to operate undetected in contested airspace and deliver precision strikes against high-value targets could be a valuable asset for India in potential future conflicts. The Ghatak's development underscores India's commitment to bolstering its defense capabilities amidst growing regional security concerns. The KIZILELMA and Ghatak stand as potent symbols of the future of military aviation, a future where unmanned systems are poised to play an increasingly central role in shaping the outcome of conflicts.